Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, thank you so much for joining me. Today is a haul video from Hello Happiness Creativity Center in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. It's what you might have heard me refer to as a creative reuse store or a thrift store for crafts. My friend Nancy, who is a subscriber and member here on this channel, messaged me and said, "Aren't you going to Wisconsin next week?" And I said, "Yes, I am." And she told me about this place, and it is a dream. I made you a shop with me video, but it's going to take me a couple days to get it edited and out. So this is just a haul, gives you a glimpse, and I hope you enjoy it. This is definitely my strangest filming scenario, but I am filming in the back seat of the car with the window open. This is what I brought home. And since I'm traveling, I have a tendency to play with things, take them apart, and look, it has the dies included. Usually I make you guys guess how much I spent, but you're going to see all the prices. So I don't know. You can guess down below if you want, and then I'll tell you if you were right. Be yourself. An original is always worth more than a copy. Love it for journals. And believe in yourself. Plus, my friend Noni. Those people almost took my door off. My friend Noni loves floral stamps. So she's going to have fun with that and the dies. Okay, when these people leave, I'll open the door again because I don't think you're getting very good light right now. This says, "You will be exactly as happy as you decide to be. Here's dog fabric, half a yard for, I think, 50 cents. I had some trouble with some thread I bought, so I ended up with this. I tangled up some people and everything. It was fun, but that's okay because you know I'll use this. A paw brad. The die that says, "Grateful, thankful, and for you. Today will be fabulous, so fabulous. Just take a deep breath. Happiness looks gorgeous on you. Yes, you, the one reading this, you are special. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine. They will make your life brighter. Decide to be happy because it's good for your health." I really like the health one. Just take a deep breath. Today will be so fabulous. And this one down here. And then I got a whole bunch of these things. I'm sure these are from, like just shipped into the country. Somebody probably paid very little for them. I don't buy this stuff, but if it's in a secondhand store, then I'm like, well, it's already shipped across the planet, and okay, yeah, I'll take it. So I got a bunch of these, and I thought I could shove some in Happy Mail. I know I have friends that would like to share them. I got black and white and then earth tones. This one I picked up because, hello, look at all that blue. This might have been a kind of spendy item, but I just wanted it. I mean, spendy for this place. It is a started little junk journal, and it looks to me like it's like built on file folders and tags. It was small enough that I thought it would go in a pocket in a journal. And I thought it was a fun inspiration point, something to play off of and look at and see how it's little tags. So just ephemera folded over into a little journal. There was a French English dictionary, and it was too big. And I told her I was traveling and could I just buy it and then take what I wanted? And she said, just pay for the book and then sit over there and take what you want out of it. And oh my gosh, you guys, you should ask me what she charged me for that. It's, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch stack right there, but you should ask me what she charged me for that book. Okay, until you spread your wings, you have no idea how far you'll fly. This one's hilarious. I think our friend Nancy has this stamp and stamped some and sent it to me, but it may be that I have the stamp and I've bought it again. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day of the year. Love it. We already did those. This is, what is it? A poppy, and then I don't care about that, but I like that they were mounted separately so I could just use this. I really like the artistic stamps. I'm more into those now, like the real life ones, than cutesy flowers. And I think that's probably also the trend anyway, so I'm not that independent really. Happiness is when what you think, what you say and do, and happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Gandhi. I don't think I have that stamp. I bought a box of stamps, opened it up, and then took the ones I wanted out of it. And I don't think I showed you the box before, but I probably did earlier. It's the little things that make life big. That's why we bought that set of stamps. Happiness always. Decided to keep it since it was there. Happiness is a warm puppy. Charles Schultz. I don't love the font, but how could you not buy that? I don't think I have any loop braid. I mean, did I need it? No. The gray, they call it silver. I think this is the wide kind. I like it for the edges of journals or like fixing boo-boos if something cracks or falls apart. The really narrow kind, I don't use. I've bought a lot of it, but I don't use it very much except on the edge of a page. If you want to tell me what to use it for, go for it. These scissors, I almost always have good luck with the Fiskars brands. And this one looks like maybe the edge of a stamp. I have Decorative, which I love because you don't have to line it up at all. And I use it for the edge of stamps. But I also wanted another pair so I could keep them in two separate places. And I thought this one was fun. I was actually looking for mini pinking like Nancy uses, but I thought this one was good. Does it have a name? No, it doesn't. Okay. Another thing of, wouldn't have bought it, but oh my gosh, you know, had to. I like that it's green is okay because it goes with everything. Butterfly journals, nature journals, pet journals, and it's neutral enough. It's also white on the back, so really nice to put in for journaling things. Sometimes I have trouble finding the boring stuff, so I need that. I bought washi tape, you guys. I couldn't help it. Look at this. I mean, I couldn't help it. There was good stuff. Okay, this one is a floral, and you can tell me how much the washi was, but you saw the prices. And maybe some of them are too old. Maybe they don't come apart nicely, but maybe 3 of them work and I have good luck. This one, I'm hoping that the package varies a little so that it's not like strawberry garden tickets the whole way through. You know, some of them, the color cycle or whatever. This one isn't really me, but I thought Tony might like it. It's like fish and underwater, and she likes the fish stuff a lot. This one, I don't know. The gold on it, I just couldn't resist it. I did not need washi tape. I should have done a trade-in, like brought them stuff. They do take donations. Be sure you take them something if you go. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, then black and white. Black and white, and it's bees. I resisted some other stuff that was bees, but black and white I can always use. Goes nicely with my blue. I thought I bought one more. Okay, I guess that's it. I thought maybe I bought one more. Stamps. I was looking at the tiny stamps for a whopping 10 cents. They're so fun to do clusters with, and I find that I use the same stamps repeatedly for my clusters, so I was excited to be able to pick up little ones. So an artistic rosebud. This one I thought would be fun for, I don't think I have a stamp that says Rockstar, and I thought it would be fun for the back of cards or other things. Happiness is a choice. Journals all day long. Okay, I might have this guy, but I thought he would be cute for clusters. And I feel like the one I have is bigger. Like maybe it's from the same Embossing Arts product line, but I think he's bigger. So now he has a friend. Spread your love everywhere you go, Mother Teresa. Okay, in the box of stamps that I bought, this one was in there. There were 2 of them in there. I don't love this stamp, but I thought, well, I'll try it. I don't know if it works so much for the journals I make, but I'm thinking it might. Okay, then I needed thread, like boring thread, and I don't know if I haven't asked Katie and my mom for enough, but that was one thing when I went to the store that I thought, oh, I have an actual need, and I remembered. So I found some, I don't know, neutral white. The room was a little dark, and, you know, it was down on the bottom, gray and blue. It was brilliant because they put the boring neutrals down on the bottom, so you really went past the other colors and had to go seek them out. So that was smart for them. And look at this button. I don't even understand this button. It might be like handmade of paper. I don't know, but it is, look at how big. It's like 1.5 inches, 2 across. It'll be great on a journal cover. Okay, people keep coming and going, so I didn't open the door again. Count your lucky stars. I think I like that in a journal. I maybe would have liked it more without the moon, just with the stars, but I love moon and star stuff, and the font was fun. And I think you should. The last thing was just another one of those tiny little collage things. Now, here's what I'm going to say. Like, I'm not into AliExpress. I'm not into buying a bunch of stuff from China. You should know that if you've been watching my channel. But if it's already here and you're buying it secondhand, buy it. Now, I'm probably going to need to remember every time I use these, hey, I didn't order these online. I bought them at a thrift store, but I don't know. I'm a bit of a greenie, and I don't know that we need it, but you should have seen the selection. Maybe you did. Maybe I did a good job filming it. All right, that's it for now. Oh, gosh, you guys, that's not it. Okay, there was a section that I filmed quite a bit for you. There were tags, and the only tags I picked up were, listen, it's like a retail tag. It's smooth. I don't know how well I'll be able to stamp on it. It's a bit slick, but it's just a fun texture, fun sound, and totally different than anything I would make in my craft room and put in a journal. Then I got a fish stamp. I had Tony in mind when I bought this. I'll try not to lose it. The flower stamps and the selection, the variety in there. Their stamps were 5 cents a piece, and there were tons that I didn't have. It wasn't a very big bin, but it was obvious that it wasn't like the stamps that I have were a mail collector, and these were people like us brought them in and donated them, and someone said, yes, we will use these in our art. I mean, look at these. There were a lot from Malaysia. Stamps that I definitely don't have. Wonderful earth tones. Then I don't think I intended to buy this, but I did. Then I got into the playing cards a little bit. Nancy, I was thinking of you. I think I might pop a couple to you because I know you have a shortage. Now, the thing about playing cards is buying them in a place like this is way more fun because you don't have 50 that are the same. You just get to go and say, oh, I'd like a DC one, and maybe Nancy wants one of these, and maybe I do, and Florida, well, why not? And this one was a cool art one, so what the heck. Then I picked up Park Place. All the items I'm showing you were a nickel. Then these were like old labels from a store, and it's Wisconsin, and most of my stuff would say Oregon, or so I thought that was fun. These were from an old calendar, and I love the quotes. I don't know if these were in the video already. There's a kind of elevation which does not depend on fortune. It is a certain air which distinguishes us and seems to destine us for great things. It is a price which we imperceptibly set upon ourselves. Loved that. Then there's another one that I got. In the moment that you carry this conviction, in that moment, your dreams will become a reality. Okay, that needs a stamp too, right? These are old, what were they called? Well, we called them green stamps. What do you call them if they're this color? Mr. Crafting and Relaxing is calling and looking for me, so we have to wrap up because otherwise he won't find me. Anyway, cool little stuff. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.